Yeah, Richard, if you know what, if you could just kind of step into my shoes for a minute and just see my struggle. I'm really trying to figure this out. So do you have any, advice for me? The step into your shoes approach. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK as well as the USA. And today, in day number 87 of 119 days of cold calling training, we're here to talk about the step into your shoes approach. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link in the description below to get access to 17 additional strategies not shared in this training. So fundamentally, we're building upon the what would you do approach in day 86, the day 83, the ask for help approach. In that, what I'm doing, or what I want to do in today's training, is to raise the stepping into your shoes level to your highest level of consciousness, because as much as we empathize with the prospect, okay, of course, and that's important, we can also turn the tables at times and ask them to empathize with us. Empathize with us where we can communicate through our tonality or words, as well as the logic, the TWL, tonality, words, or logic of our struggle. Okay, so through tone, you know what? I've been trying. I can't get hold of him. That's tonality. Okay, that tonality could probably be worked upon. Did I miss him again? He keeps seeming to be out of the office. I can't get hold of him. That's words. I can't get hold of him. He seems to be out of the office. And then tonality, words, and of course, like language. I can't seem to get hold of him. Oh, I missed him again. Oh gosh, what do I do? And that is what leads us to ultimately request support through stepping. I mean, I've just invented this acronym. Bear with me. TWL, tonality, words, and language equals stepping into your shoes / support. So SS. Okay, and this is really going to be something that you can use in times where the frustrations or challenges are relatively self-evident to your prospect, and the prospect could be the gatekeeper, the decision maker. It could be, either of those two. And with this approach, you're really asking them to help you by painting or plotting a path where they are stepping into your shoes and they can see the struggle. Okay, they can see see the struggle, and in those elements, it's hopefully quite easy to get them to be able to step into your shoes, so you can fundamentally then figure out, or you can, with their assistance, figure out what the next step is. And it's where they it's a route into the prospect developing a bit of a soft spot for you. Okay, a little bit of a soft spot when you are making your struggle evident. Okay, so it needs to be one of those scenarios where you've called a couple of times, can't get through to the right person, and you're building up a bit of a relationship with the gatekeeper, as an example. That's example one. Example two, you have got through to the right person once, but then you've tried them 3 or 4 times. You finally collar them down again. Then they answer the phone only to tell you that they're busy again and that you can follow up again. And you say, oh, you know what, Frank, you know what I'm really afraid of? You're going to put the phone down and I'm going to just start chasing you again. And oh my God, it's miserable for me when I can't, get hold of you. If you can just kind of step into my shoes for a second, I'm a little bit afraid of that whole scenario. Is there no way we could kind of meet, this week, if possible? So do you see there, guys? We're really using the step into your shoes approach, where you're asking for empathy / sympathy from your prospect because it is self-evident, or you're able to demonstrate to them through role reversal that it's a bloody nightmare and it's a lot of hard work, and they can empathize, sympathize with it. So therefore, they give you what you're after, which is, in a cold calling's case, a meeting. Okay, so it's a powerful ploy, and definitely do use it when someone's keeping you on the hook, if you will, without giving you a clear outcome. And in these instances, you can demonstrate the challenge from your side, and hopefully they'll be understanding of that, and they'll take you off the hook and give you a clear outcome that you can work with, which is, let's move this forward, or let's just park it here, whatever it may be. But there you have it, guys, the step into your shoes approach. It's a powerful one.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.